आज जो एपेक्स टेलीविज़न आकर हमारे प्रोग्राम को कवर कर रहे हैं वो ज़रा सा हट कर है। पहले आपने देखा होगा कि यहाँ फैसल कुरैशी आए जो पाकिस्तानी बहुत बड़े आर्टिस्ट हैं, एक्टर हैं, और फिर उससे पहले बॉलीवुड के एक बहुत बड़े हस्ती यहाँ आए थे, जावेद सिद्दीकी साहब, लिरिसिस्ट जो कि स्क्रिप्ट राइटर हैं। और इस तरह से आर्ट पे हमने गुफ्तगू की। लेकिन आज ज़रा सा हट के इस तरह से कि यहाँ एक पाकिस्तान से रहने वाले जो यहाँ रहते हैं उनका नाम है ज़हीर दुर्रानी, और वो एक आर्किटेक्ट हैं। वैसे तो वो आर्किटेक्ट हैं लेकिन अपने फ़ारिग़ औक़ात में वो जाते हैं पहाड़ों पर। और आज हमारा यही कोशिश है कि हम अपने यंग प्रोफेशनल्स को इसमें शामिल करें, इस प्लेटफॉर्म पे लेकर आएँ और आप लोगों को बताएं कि दुनिया में और चीज़ें ठीक है कि हम दफ्तर में बैठे काम करते हैं या बच्चों के स्कूलों में उनके साथ वक्त लगा रहे हैं, लेकिन उससे हट के भी हमारी एशियाई कम्युनिटी जो है, ख़ासकर पाकिस्तानी कम्युनिटी है, इस तरफ को कम जाती हैं। तो आज हम ये देखेंगे कि पहाड़ों पर किस तरह से चढ़ा जाता है और वहाँ जाके नीचे का नज़ारा किस तरह देखा जाता है। तो आप भी हमारे साथ देखिए। एपेक्स टेलीविज़न का बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया।
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Zahir Durrani. I'm an architect based in London. Climbing is my obsession and a hobby. So today I will be talking both about architecture and climbing. And this is a platform for young professionals. And we are creating this idea where professionals from various backgrounds, they come together and they share ideas. And through these events, it gives them networking opportunities. आज के इवेंट का एक मकसद ये भी है कि I will be talking about various expeditions or trips to various parts of the world. I have been to Nepal, France, Italy, and Spain. Or I have climbed in UK extensively. आज के इवेंट का एक मकसद ये भी है कि whenever I go outdoors and I notice that there are very very few people from Pakistani background or Asian background who are climbing. और ये देख के अफसोस होता है कि it's such a wonderful sport. I enjoy thoroughly कि अपने लोग इसमें बहुत कम हैं. तो आज की टॉक के थ्रू आई वांट टू प्रमोट दिस स्पोर्ट विच आई enjoy very much. और I'm showing some of the slides and videos of my climbing trips. और कुछ जो gear जिसको gear कहते हैं, equipment which we use during the climbing, which is here, which I'll be showing. So hopefully this will generate some interest in the young professionals to come and join this activity. And it's wonderful. UK has the best crags. Countryside is so beautiful. I would say we have the best countryside, and nothing beats it. So we have all this resource which is free and available, but we don't tend to use it. And we are within our city centers and spend most of the time probably playing PlayStations or other games. So hopefully this event and other events that we will arrange, probably a walk where I'll be taking people along to a hill, will promote this activity. And people from Pakistani or Asian background, they will join, and that will be interesting. So that's my contribution towards the young professionals project. This is some of the climbing rock climbing equipment you're seeing. You have the cams. Now if you see, these can move, which means if there's a small crack, those cams can fit in, and they're used as protection. Helmet, special climbing shoes, and this is more sort of traditional ways of protecting yourself when you're on the rock, and you normally use them for protection from falling. इस तरफ आप आएंगे तो if you see, those are the crampons. If you're walking on ice, because of slippery effect, the crampons have those sharp edges which allows you to have grip in when you're walking. This is the climbing guide which covers UAE, and this is a picture which I took when I was there, and it was published in the official climbing guide for UAE, which covers all the areas in Dubai and Hatta and other areas. यहाँ जो आप देख रहे हैं, this is a climbing ice axe. Again, it's a very sharp. It has a very sharp pick, which allows you to protect yourself if you are falling. And then you have some walking stakes, which general walking into the hills, it helps you support. And this is some other types of protection. So generally, it's all about being safe. It is an extreme sport, but it's all about being safe and enjoying it thoroughly.
My name is Rob Damon. I'm a teacher, and I became interested in mountaineering quite late in life, in my 50s. Zahir's a bit younger. He's a much more expert mountaineer than me, and he also was very brave in taking me up some alpine peaks this year. And he's an interesting person because a lot of mountaineers are very factually oriented, but Zahir has a wealth of stories and a wealth of ideas on other matters, which is why he's such an entertaining person to be with. And therefore the talk was naturally very interesting, and I look forward to hearing many more stories from him.